I made this flower vase at home by using waste material. I'll just use waste material and wall putty white cement. Salam everyone, let's make flower vase. I have this waste material. I don't know what is its name. I'll cut it into two pieces. Now it's time to take out our wall putty. I'll take some cement powder that'll needed. Now it's time to add some water to make a thick paste. Mix, mix, and mix. Wall putty mixture is ready. I'll use my handmade mat so that our table remains clean. Make sure you apply moisturizer before doing this. I also wear gloves in my one hand. Now it's time to apply wall putty mixture in our vase base. Cover the whole base with white cement. Give finishing with some runny cement. Now it's time to second one. Here's some cement remained. So I decided to make base cover. Our vase structure is ready. Now leave them 24 hours to dry. Look, our vases are completely dried. They are ready for designing. I'll use this manicure tool that I have. You can use any other tool that you have. I am making straight lines by scratching. Here I am giving shape by scratching it with cutter. It's really satisfying. Look, our design is done. We can make same design with second one. Let's put scratch cement again on container so that we can reuse it. Here I am making light brown color by mixing brown and white color. Make sure you add a lot of water as wall putty absorbs water. Now I am highlights the lines with brown color. I'll like to paint this vases. Now for second one. Also our base lids. Now I am merging color with water. As wall putty absorbs water, so it becomes easy for me to merge them. Here I am making more lines to give them woody look. Now it's time to apply varnish. Varnish makes our vase shiny and strong. It also helps to protect our painting from fainting. I also have some disco. So I decided to use them and give our vases shiny look. Look, our vases is about to ready. Now leave them to dry for 24 hours. Look, our vases is completely dried. I have some red and white artificial roses that I used. I'll make 2 sets in red and white colored roses for both vases. Now it's time to some cinematic shots. If you like my 4 days of hard work, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Take care and Allah Hafiz.